Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide duplicate values in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a list of number with the duplicate values. Here you can see in this list there are some duplicates number available. I mentioned here the duplicate. So here I'm going to hide these duplicate numbers. So let's start how it's done. Simply select the range of data. So I select here the entire column, then go to the Home tab. In Styles group, click on the Conditional Formatting option and click on the New Rule option. And you can see the new formatting rule is dialog box is open. Select a rule type, select the last rule, use a formula to determine which cell to format. So I select this, and here in edit the formula description, format values where this value is true, enter your formula. So I enter here the formula. You can see the count if and select it first cell, okay, in fixed, and colon, again select here the first cell A1, okay, A1, and comma, again I select here the A1 of the selected range first cell, okay, then bracket close greater than 1, okay. So here you can see, you can check the formula here. After that, click on the Format tab, and here Format Cell dialog box is open. In Font tab, in color option, font color option, you can see, just click on this drop down arrow and select the white color. After that, click on OK, and that's it. And click on OK here. And here you can see now duplicate values will be hidden by matching the text color to the background. The original data still there, just visibly hidden. Okay. And as I mentioned here, the duplicate, you can see the all duplicate values is hidden. Okay, so that's it. So this is a way you can hide the duplicate values in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.